Ayan, si Imelda, thank you. Malapit na tayo magkalahati, guys. Uy, salamat. Ay, grabe, bongga. Dami mo ng entry, sis, ha? Sis Evelyn, dami mo ng entry. $3. Agoy. Hirap na mag-ano, no? Hirap na makakuha ng ano. Salamat, sis. Saan yun? Kay Pinay ba yun? O dito ka lahat may entry? You know what? It's so unfair. Ayan. Combine nga natin. $2, $2. 50. Dati ang daming mag-ano, no, sponsor. Ngayon wala nang sponsor po. Wala nang sponsor. Ay. Ay, dito na yung ano. Kasalubong kong naglalakad. Morning.
Good morning.
Ayan. Contain. Combine, yeah. Sige. Sige, sis, combine na lang. Sige, that's good idea. Combine na lang. Super chat at saka ano, members combine. Pero maganda, I was planning to like Jacob. Ay, I'm planning to do before I was just like 50-50, something like that. So I'm planning to make may malaking presyo. Ayan. Pero alam mo yung sinuswerte, di ba? So, that's the catch. Ayan. Ayun. May ano, ayun, the highest price for, ayan, to rewards my members, guys, is 500. Sis MB, salamat. 500 pesos, guys, 500 GCash. So, members and super chat, the highest price is 500. That's only $20, right? 500, $20. That's fine. I could afford that. $20, 500, 500. Then the rest, I will give it like 20, no, 50, 50. So yeah. So super chat and guys, super chat and ang bilis lang pala, no? $20 na. Then the rest, mga ano lang, mga may